As long as you're making sure that you're creating insights that connect to people, it's going to open up a great creative territory. I really like to build a human connection to whatever data point I'm bringing. Don't just make creative that looks good or you think will win awards, but it has to be made for the people consuming it in a way that relates to the platform that it's on, or it's just going to feel out of place.
Emotional storytelling is all about a resonant insight, right? Our goal is for our consumers to see our advertising and to relate to it, to connect to it, and take away a positive sentiment and emotion around our brand. And so what I tell marketers is to be creative around where you're sourcing your customer insights, but ensure that you're really building all of your marketing on the customer insight. That's what's going to lead to that emotional connection. That's what's going to lead to that resonance every single time.
I am always a believer that it's not just finding a way to talk to somebody, but how do you actually demonstrate to them that you truly believe in who they are as people and you believe in their culture, and you want that culture to enhance your own culture.